So we discussed a few of relationship vocabularies. We had a very thought-provoking discussion. Now, how to take care of the zeroth circle? Zeroth circle, as we discussed earlier, it is you and you only. Your relationship with yourself sets the tone for every other relationships you have. So true it is. Harmony inside is harmony outside as well. Now take a moment and think how positive or good you think about yourself always. In spite of making mistakes, when situation demands and you tell a lie, or when you are not able to buy things your kids ask, or when you're not able to close a sale, or when a dress doesn't suit you, or when you don't wake up for an alarm, or when you overeat, or when you forget something very important, so many instances. When we are not up to our desired level, what do you speak to yourself? Or what do we speak to ourselves? Do you criticize yourself or hurt yourself with guilt? Do you tell yourself that you are not fit for this? If yes, just think, my dear friends, can these mistakes not be forgiven? Can you not forgive yourself? When you are not able to forgive yourselves, please understand, my friends, you cannot forgive others' mistakes too. It is that simple. When you don't love yourself unconditionally, you cannot love others unconditionally. Everything starts with you. Again, this is not a time to make you feel guilty. Now, knowing that your inner peace is the priority number one to have peace outside, what can we do to establish the peace and harmony? Here are the few steps. I'll just give it in a snapshot. Think about it, ponder, reflect, and get back to me with your comments. Number one, accept. Accept yourself with all the mistakes that you make. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay that if you're not fair, it's okay if you're not able to close a sale. All is fine. Accept. Number two, appreciate. Appreciate yourself for every small good things that you do or for every small successes that you make. Number three, love. Love yourself unconditionally. I would say first, love yourself. Go stand in front of the mirror, look into your eyes, and tell, I love you unconditionally. Kindly understand that this is not being selfish or this is not like boasting about yourself. It is the need of the hour. When you feel good about yourself, people around you also will start feeling good about you. Number four, the me time. Always find a me time for yourself. It's only you there, not even your mobile or social media or network, anything. Just be yourself. Look around, feel with your senses. I would suggest early morning, somewhere between 4:30 to 5. Robin Sharma in his book 5 a.m. Club suggests that successful people wake up at 5 a.m. He gives a uh, three-step plan for 5 to 6 me time. 5 a.m. to 5:20 a.m. Do some quick exercises. 5:20 a.m. to 5:40 a.m. Do some visualization of what you want to be, how you want to be, how fit you want to be, how healthy you want to be, how successful you want to be. 5:40 to 6 a.m. do some journaling and reviewing of your everyday's goals, short-term goals, mid-term goals, and long-term goals. This me time becomes so very productive and it will charge you with enthusiasm, no doubt. Number five is forgive. Forgive yourself for all the mistakes that you have made. If you have made some irreparable mistakes, it's okay. If your conscience pricks, then it's fine. Take a few breaths, close your eyes, calm yourself down, and wholeheartedly say this: I forgive myself and I will not repeat this mistake again. Say it again and again and again until your conscience is clear. I forgive myself wholeheartedly for the mistake I have done. I will not repeat it again. Say this and you will find a lot of change in your attitude. And the last one, which I would suggest, is self-talk. Talk to yourself with positive affirmations. That helps a lot, my dear friends. Talk words, sentences, like it's not only for the students or it's not only for our trainees, it's also for us. We can repeat saying, I'm the best, I'm fit, I'm healthy, I achieve every dream in my life, God is with me, I'm positive, I'm a positive magnet, I attract positivity in my life, I attract abundance in my life. So, whatever you want in relationships or in your life or in your goals, speak to yourself. This unconditional love will help you deal with rest of the relationships. Hope this was useful. Stay connected for more updates. Thank you for now.